Let me take you back to a time when muscle cars ruled the streets. And among them stood a legend, the 1970 Plymouth GTX. This wasn't just a car, it was the perfect blend of raw power, unmatched style, and luxurious comfort. A true masterpiece of its era, the GTX was known as the gentleman's muscle car, designed for those who craved both performance and sophistication. The first thing that catches your eye about the 1970 Plymouth GTX is its bold and aggressive design. The wide front grille, sculpted bodylines, and striking racing stripes scream dominance. This car was built to turn heads, whether it was parked in a driveway or roaring down the highway. Its commanding presence on the road made it impossible to ignore. Under the hood, the GTX packed serious firepower. The standard engine was a 440 cubic inch Super Commando V8, delivering 375 horsepower. But if you wanted something even more thrilling, Plymouth offered the legendary 426 HEMI V8. Producing a staggering 425 horsepower and 490 lb-torque, this engine turned the GTX into a beast. It could launch from 0 to 60 mph in mere seconds, leaving a thunderous growl that echoed through the streets. The 1970 GTX wasn't just about raw power, it offered an unmatched level of comfort and elegance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a meticulously crafted interior. Vinyl bucket seats, wood grain accents, and a sleek dashboard created an ambience of luxury. This wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the placement of the gauges, exuded refinement. Performance was at the heart of the GTX, but so was control. Plymouth equipped it with Torsion bar front suspension and multi-leaf rear springs, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even at high speeds. The car handled sharp corners with confidence and precision. High-performance brakes added another layer of safety, giving drivers complete control over this powerful machine. The GTX also offered a range of vibrant, eye-catching paint options. Colors like lemon twist Moulin Rouge and vitamin C orange made this car impossible to miss. Add to that the iconic air grabber hood and bold racing stripes, and you had a car that looked as fast as it felt. But the 1970 Plymouth GTX wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of an era. A time when cars weren't just a mode of transportation but an extension of one's personality. Owning a GTX wasn't about getting from point A to B, it was about making a statement, about experiencing the thrill of the open road in a machine that felt alive. Even today, the 1970 Plymouth GTX holds a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts. It's a reminder of a golden age when muscle cars were the kings of the road. If you ever get the chance to see one up close, take a moment to appreciate its craftsmanship and legacy. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of history, a testament to what happens when passion and engineering come together.